Hey everybody, this is going to be my biggest challenge video. So after some reflection and after my comprehensive exam, I felt that the biggest challenge in my current and future setting as a teacher at Memorial is time and buy-in. So when I look forward at our professional development days that we have available, um, a lot of them are already scheduled for like PLCs and working to become strong PLCs, like setting goals and working on formative assessments and making sure that you have like established norms within your PLCs, which is really great. However, after 2 years of focusing a lot on that, I think it's time for us to move forward, especially since next year we are going to implement new Promethean boards in our building. So I just think there's going to be a lot of opportunity for technology trainings, but maybe not a lot of implementation of that. So the other buy-in, I just think I work with a large range of teachers from first year to like one more year until they retire, and they all have different opinions on what works best in their classroom. I've noticed a lot with the math teachers that there's not a ton of buy-in in using technology well. They would use it to like review or do any sort of activities like that, which is really fun and a great first step. But in order to actually use technology to benefit math, we have to use programs that encourage that deeper level thinking. So my solution to these things would be just to talk about this with the administrators, focus in on why I think technology trainings are so important and why we need to start implementing those, and maybe start implementing small technology trainings with individual PLCs or something along those lines, so that we're still focused on that PLC, but we're also focusing on the needs of our students and our staff. I think that it would be a really great idea for our administrators to have the PLCs meet at the beginning of the year during a training and maybe set goals, what they want to improve on throughout the year, what like curriculum needs they have, so anything that their curriculum coach could help them with, what technology needs they have, and so that we could figure out trainings for the different groups and just kind of take away that huge general PD time and make it more specific to the needs of the teachers in our building. I think that would align well with the ISTE standards for leaders, where we, so leader 2B, or 2C, sorry, where we model for colleagues the identification, exploration, evaluation, curation, and adoption of new digital resources and tools for learning. So if we, like myself and my administrators, start figuring out different tools and things that we can use, and then we give those PLCs those opportunities to let us know what they need, we can model that. I also think a huge piece of the ISTE standards that would be met or need to be met when we work through this is collaboration. Not only do we need to allow the PLCs to collaborate and figure out what type of technology would be best for them and how to actually implement that, I think we need to like follow ISTE standard 4A, where we dedicate time, planning time, to collaborating with colleagues to create authentic learning experiences that leverage technology. So actually having experiences that will benefit the knowledge and the understanding of our students, but also really use technology well. So my biggest challenge, time and buy-in, finding the time and getting all the teachers to buy in. But I think after completing this program, I have a great tool belt, and I'll be ready to, with my administrators, find a way to create a solution to those problems. Thanks.